Hey, what's up, YouTube? How's it going out there? Once again, it's your boy Lewis, and you already know what time it is, okay? Time to go ahead and get that computer tutorial in, alright, for today. Well, in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you two different methods that you can go ahead and enable the dark theme into your Windows calculator, okay? This is going to be done on Windows 11 operating system, but if you do it on Windows 10, it's pretty much identical, okay? The process will be the same thing. Alright, so once you have your calculator open, and you can go ahead and open it via your menu and just go ahead and type in calculator, press start. That should be it. Alright, so once you have the calculator, as you can see, I have the default theme. As you can see, it's really light. Very well hurt your eyes. Okay, so come over here to the upper left hand corner. You click right there. Then you're going to scroll down to where it says settings. Okay, click right there on the settings. Then, as you can see right there where it says app theme, click that little drop down arrow. Then you're going to go ahead and click dark. See that? Then you can go back. There you go. Much better. It's not going to hurt your eyes, and it's definitely going to be really easy to go ahead and do that. Alright, so let's go ahead and exit out of that. Now, the next method to go ahead and enable the dark theme, come over here to start. Then you're going to go to settings. See here. Settings. There you go. Come over here to settings. Then you're going to come over here to personalization. Personalization, and then colors. You can see the colors right there. Click right there where it says colors. And then right there where it says choose your mode, you're going to go ahead and click dark. Okay, so we're enabling the dark mode. That should go ahead and take effect in your calculator as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. There you go. Then you click the calculator. There you go. That's the second method that you can go ahead and enable the dark theme on your calculator. Okay, really straightforward, really easy. You know me, that's the way I like to do things. Okay, no hassles, no struggles. Okay, so that's going to be my video for today. Okay, so that's my time right there. Please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you here shortly. Peace out.